Meditation is simple and easy with the right instruction. And when you more deeply understand the whole process of what it is that you're trying to accomplish, deep states come naturally. This is meditation for beginners in 4 easy steps. First step is posture, and the easiest way to get into the meditative posture is to wedge your lower back against a wall or into the corner of your chair. So get some small pillows, put it in the corner, and just wedge your sacrum until you feel like it's pushing the rest of your spine up. That's the feeling that you want. The knees should be slightly lower than the sacrum. That's the bottom of your spine. Sacrum and the coccyx, you want that slightly higher than your knees. So again, that will help to push the spine erect so you don't feel slouched and crunched down. Step number 2 is a reduced breathing rate. We want a target breathing rate of 7 breaths a minute or less. That should be easy and comfortable. You don't want any kind of strain in meditation because that will activate the sympathetic nervous system. That's not the nervous system we want to stimulate. We want to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, the system of relaxation, so that we can bring both systems into balance. But to do that, we need to activate the parasympathetic first of all and make sure that we're out of stress. To do that most efficiently and easily, we need a reduced breath rate. We need a breath that doesn't pause at the bottom or the top. In breath, don't pause, and on the out breath, don't pause. Easily transition from in to out to in to out. And third, the out breath should be slightly longer than the in breath. The in breath, the heart has more work to do. The breath is in the lungs. It needs to combust the gases which are in the lungs and pump the oxygen through the body. So there's more work for the heart to do on the in breath. On the out breath, there's less work for the heart to do. There's no gas in the lungs, no combustion taking place, and therefore the heart may take a tiny breather, a little bit of relaxation. To help foster that, we want to make the out breath slightly longer than the in breath. So to help you with those 3 things having to do with the breath, I recommend an app called MyCalmBeat. It's free, and you're going to see a little set of lungs breathing in and breathing out. Go ahead and pick the rate which is best for you. If you find that you are breathing at a rate which is slower than the app, that's fine. Just make sure that you're not in strain, and watch the app for a while how the lungs breathe, because they're not putting any pauses at the top of the breath and the bottom of the breath. So that's very helpful to watch and learn and understand. Step number 3 is simple and difficult at the same time. We don't want to move. We want to sit very still. We're activating the parasympathetic nervous system. It's like we're collecting a pail of peace and bliss, and we don't want to spill it out by moving around. So if you're in meditation, your nose itches and you reach up and you scratch your nose, I've now activated all the nerves in the arm. Tons of energy is flowing into the arm and the hand directing it, and it breaks me out of what I've been trying to collect. It's a really big deal. When you can sit very still, you deeply activate the dorsal parasympathetic nervous system, and you begin to collect a deep kind of peace and bliss. And I want that for you. So you gotta follow this rule. You gotta sit as still as possible. Now if you gotta move, well, my goodness, move, get it over with, and come back to stillness, because there's magic in it and you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so that's all of the doing, right? Posture, breath rate, we're following the breath, we're sitting very still, comfortably. Now for a moment, let's move our attention down to the hands. In meditation, the hands are relaxed, easy, not moving. And as that parasympathetic nervous system activates more and more, the blood begins to pool in the hands, making them hot, heavy, and dry. Now you probably won't feel that they're dry, but you will feel that they are hot and heavy. And this is huge. You want to notice that the hands are hot and heavy as you sit in stillness, because that is proving to you that you have activated the parasympathetic nervous system. You have brought the two systems closer into balance. And we're going to talk more and more about this and how huge it is. So there you have it, meditation in 4 easy steps. Get out there and give it a shot. Let me know how it works for you. It's a beautiful meditation. And in the next video, we're going to take it to a deeper level. Holy shnikes.